welcome back to another video of Snoof MC838. So today I'm just going to play Bed Wars. My oh no, yeah guys, it's the end of the month. School is beginning, guys. And guys, finally I'm gonna get my PC. Okay, so let's play Bed Wars. So guys, I'm gonna make some other videos on my PC, then I make less on my phone. So this is just for now, but I will be playing on my PC soon, guys. Very soon. Maybe I'll be playing tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm not sure. Let's just get in the portal. Boom. Okay. No. Well, let's just wait. Why is it going in marketplace? So what's happening? Bro, what's this guy? Oh, God, bro. What in the fuck? Nothing. Bro, why what? Guys are actually looting. Okay, so go. Okay. Looks like I'm getting some loot. Like these guys are getting nothing. Okay. Maybe I'll just wait until it's by 20 the iron. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done, guys. I'll click to open. And what? This is no. I'm gonna let's buy some blocks. 15 pieces now, bro. You crazy? I'll take this again. This. Yeah. I think I have enough, guys. So I'm very terrible at Bed Wars, guys. I'm not lying. So guys, don't laugh me out, please, guys. I'm not so very good at Bed Wars. But maybe if I get my PC, I'll search how to play Bed Wars properly. Because I'm very bad, guys. Very. You see, guys, look at the even breathing is gonna breathe faster than me. I can just eating off. Yeah, thank you. Okay, just go. And I'm lagging. Oh no, I'm gonna fall. You see, guys, that's the thing. I fall off. I hate it, guys. You died. Yep, I died. Respond. Get go. And do the same stuff over again. Flip like this. Yeah, so corruption. Okay, bro, come on. Supply some blocks. 10. Bro, 10 pieces now, bro. Nah. You terrible, bro. You terrible. I'm lying, bro. Yo, bro, you. This guy can't build, bro. Nah. Look there. Now he's gonna die. Look at the guy. Not dead. I thought he was dead. Jump. Oh, it's close. Get my sword, my hand. Let's try. Oh no, I'm dead. Why does someone have dream skin? Look, you see, guys, I'm so terrible. No, guys, I'm dead. Guys. I'm dead. Nah, guys, I'm dead. Literally, I'm dead, guys. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, please, guys. I'm done making this video so free. And someone has dream skin. I'm dead. Oh, I got one hit. Nah, he doesn't want me to bridge. Now, you see, guys, you died. That's why I don't like playing on my phone, guys. I can't wait. My PC must come, guys. My PC must come, guys. I'm very tired of this. And I'm getting small percent of viewers, guys. Please, guys, like and sub, please. I need this, guys, please. Go. Come on, village. What? I found some 30% and you can see I'm making a video, okay. 6, 5, maybe. We bought players for no reason, guys. Let's just play this junk. Oh yeah, for some reason. That's why. And I'm lagging again, guys. I hate this game. Wait, I can upgrade my suit. I'm so stupid, guys. I'm so dumb. Come on. As you guys can see, I have a cool Steve body with some glasses. And with my cape also on. That's my feet, guys. Look at my feet. See, so cool, guys. Doesn't matter how cool you look, must still be able to play the game. Menu cannot be open. Why? Wait, what? Oh, weaponry. It's, okay. I can do it. Yes, there you go. Yes. I'm so dumb, guys. Come on. Yes. Flip, I do. Come on. Mission code. 5 pieces. Yes. I think that's enough, guys. I wasted all my gold. Yes. Bro, just get away. Stop crouching here. Like you're talking on the floor. Okay, one. Sorry about that. Come on. 2. Let's just leave it. Let's just all try something, guys. Guys, don't laugh me out, please, guys. Okay. Maybe it's just all there. Okay. Let's just take this. Guys, what the? I thought it was going there. You died again, guys. Nah, guys, I'm terrible. I told you, guys. No one believes me, guys. Guys. No. I'm able to do that. Flip. Come on. Just go, bro. Bro, I hit myself. Bro, I'm very terrible with this game, guys. Look, I'm gonna die right now, guys. I can't even hit him, guys. Look here. Look, this one with iron armor in a diamond sword. I don't see it change, guys. But I don't care, we'll go. Some diamonds, I don't even care about diamonds right now. 5, wow. I don't care. Why are skeletons there? Someone hit the button. In a dream skin, wow. You're not even dream, guys. If this was dream was gonna kill him. Whoa, guys. You see, guys, my phone is... Guys, I'm so tired now. I'm actually freaking out right now, guys. This game, guys, this game's not right, bro. Every time when I try to go, then he comes. Game. 5, 4. Flip. 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. Need 2 pieces. Come on. 9. 1 piece. Move your booty out, yes. Yo. here in Nose Village. Just yo, I boom. Nah, yeah, my wallet. Why am I? Guys, I got extra 2 hearts. That's great. Let's try something. Let's try it again, guys. This time, please. I hope I don't fail, guys. Nope, I failed. And that was 2, guys. I only used 1. Ah, guys, I think I'm not gonna continue with this video, guys. Sorry, guys. But, you know what to do, guys. Bye.